Hi guys, so today I'm on Animal Jam and it's DJ Honey Swirl here and I'm on Animal Jam and I'm going to be doing some mail time and you can see what I've got today. And so yeah, in my next video I'm going to be doing a fake spike giveaway. So remember, this is just a joke, so do not take it seriously. And people who are in this, I'm very sorry for tricking you and pranking you. And if anyone wants to be in the Delicious DJ Club, you can, which is an awesome club. Like, I am DJ Honey Swirl, and you can make one such as DJ Sugar Cube or blah blah blah. So let's get started here on Mail Time. And see what I've got. Whoa, I've got 11 gifts. 11 gifts. Whoa. Gosh. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's see. So from budgiebun. Oh, she's my buddy. Oh, she gave me all of these. I got a sapphire ring. Whoa. From the Epic Wonders. Let's see. What's this? A rainbow armchair. Oh my gosh. What's this one? A mat. That's not so interesting, but thanks anyway. A medieval rug. Okay, cool. Oh! A rainbow balloon archway. I've always wanted that. What about this one? An article of Topari. What's this? Oh, another one. It's okay. Oh, there's more gifts. A masterpiece. Oh, yay! What's this? A pillow. No. Oh, a smoothie machine. What's this last one? Ice cream cart. What? Oh, that's it. I think, there's another one. Auntie. Okay. Oh. Yes. Okay. All the stuff that she gave me, and yeah. Oh, my den's boring because of stuff. I put all this new stuff that the awesome jammer budgiebun gave me. I'm very happy. I'll give her back a thank you something. I don't know, but yeah, maybe. I'm not nice. But yeah. I don't think I'm going to need my pillow, so I'll delete this pillow and this mat. And she asks, recording. Yes, I am recording, but you're going to have to wait because I'm decorating my den. I think she's a bit excited to be in the video. Might be a bit hyperactive. Oh yay! Oh no, spiders are on my article. No, article. No, I'm just doing it for the spiders. I don't want the spiders there on my article. Oh, I'm decorating my den. Cannot you see? She asked me, what am I doing? Well, what usually happens? What usually happens when the person's not answering and they're in their den? They're probably decorating it, for heaven's sake. I was, yes! Did you know the Targan Falcon's data speeds up to, oh no, I don't know that. Seriously. Can I stalk you? Can I Okay. No, you can not. Obviously. No, you can't. Is that a surprise to you? Okay, guys, this video has come to an end. I hope you liked it. And bye. Bye bye. No, don't dislike, don't, please, no. Please ignore Budgie Bunch, he's annoying, but thank you for the gives, but never mind. See you guys.